Vehicle Code 10853 VC is the crime commonly known as malicious mischief to a vehicle. This law makes it a crime to climb on top of or into a vehicle for the purpose of tampering with the brakes or starter or controls, or to put the vehicle in motion. A common example is climbing into an unattended car and putting it in drive and rolling it down a hill for fun. A conviction for Vehicle Code 10853 VC is a misdemeanor. It carries a penalty of up to 6 months in county jail. Now, if property is stolen from the vehicle or someone is injured, that could lead to more serious charges and more potential jail time. Although the law treats malicious mischief to a vehicle seriously, we find that it is a crime for which we do see many innocent people get wrongly charged. It may have been someone else who actually tampered with a vehicle, and you were really the victim of misidentification. You may have had no intention of harming or vandalizing the vehicle, or the police may have violated your rights when they arrested you and interrogated you. If you've been charged with Vehicle Code 10853 VC, we invite you to call us 24 hours a day here at the Shouse Law Group. We may be able to help you get the charges reduced or dismissed.